Subscribe to Smart Tech channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates from us.
Is set to launch tomorrow, so this is certainly an early unboxing. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro unboxing video is in Estonian, but you can see the device in full, as well as see its in-display fingerprint sensor in action. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro unboxing video also shows the in-display fingerprint sensor in use as well as showing some of the in-box accessories. Unfortunately, the audio is in Estonian with no English subtitles, so we don't have much of an idea of what the host is saying. However, you can clearly see the box, smartphone, and related accessories as he shows them off, and towards the end, he gives us some close-ups of the device. We expect the Huawei Mate 20 Pro to feature a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, a triple camera setup on the rear, a large battery bigger than 4000 mAh, most likely, an Android 9 Pie skin with EMUI 9.0. We also expect the device to run on the Kirin 980 chipset, the first 7nm chip on an Android device.